guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download Sora app on Android, which is the Sora app is the Sora AI app, which we all know, right? So a lot of people have been asking that it has not been rolled out to their regions and country. Why? Because it's just limited. It's just released recently. I'm talking about the Sora AI 2. It's just rolled out like few weeks ago, and it's just currently available only in USA, right? And all you need to do if you want to actually try to download it on your Android, you have to do some few things to actually do that. So first thing, all you need to do is you have to turn on your VPN and change it to United States. After doing that, you can now be able to get a chance to download it on your Android. But for iPhone users, it's actually be rolled out to some iPhone users because they're trying to test it out on iPhone, so you understand. But as an Android user, all you need to do is just turn on your VPN and switch it to UK, and you'll be able to get access to the app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.